Today is 2nd May 2019. This is the 15 years old.
What parrot is this?
Should be Amazonian.
Is it? Oh, Amazonian.
Yeah.
It's not the blue fronted one.
No.
The let them hold. Okay. What's the complaint now?
Haven't eaten for 2.5 days itself now. And liquid stools with no solid mass one.
Oh, we wait first.
I'm okay.
Is it?
Then he didn't move the last while he's still sick.
So basically it's diarrhea, is it?
I don't think it's diarrhea because it's very little stool, as in liquid stool also. I mean in the last 2 days he's only like probably only two or three patches, not exactly diarrhea like.
I have 15 grams. So what did you change your feed?
No change of feed itself. We always give him sunflower seeds. Then I'm just added some almond, but it's quite. We just try, as in the rest of the parrots, they didn't seem to have problems with the
You got
almond.
how many parrots?
4 long.
They all live in different cages?
Yeah, different cages. But side by side.
Only this one affected?
Only this one affected.
So how long already this, is it lost appetite?
2.5 days. That means today's the 3rd day he haven't eaten. We tried to feed him water and seeds yesterday.
How about drinking?
Not drinking. Today is not even trying to drink even. He's not drinking.
Do you know his weight before that?
No. Because we do measure because too light already. But it's about he feels about the same. So.
Hold upside down first. Just turn. The best if you don't touch the parrot. Sometimes the bird gets stressed out.
Okay.
Has it been feather picking?
This one has been a while already. Maybe like 4 or 5 years already.
Oh.
Yeah, since his mate died, it's always been like that.
So is he active now? Is he active? Just put down. Is he active?
Active as
Able to interested in life and working?
Should be alright lah, but he's only just recent. Only today then he's more active. Yesterday he didn't even try to move even. He's been perched there for the last 2 days.
So you said the stools, what color is it?
Greenish with no solid mass.
Watery one?
More or less lah. Since there's no solid, the normal black stuff.
Could it be change of sunflower seeds? Do you change your green bread?
No, it's one whole big batch.
And all of them eating the same?
Yeah.
Other than sunflower seeds, almond?
Yeah, almond should be.
Is it something new?
Yeah, something new.
Huh?
Something new.
When do you give?
Maybe almond 几时换的？almond 刚刚给的。
Friday or Saturday?
Friday.
You mean you introduced almonds, is it?
Yeah, the whole red almonds.
Before that,
got fruits.
He did have almonds before?
No.
Never feed almonds before?
No.
Maybe peanuts only, nuts only.
So after you give almonds, then
I don't think it's correlated.
lost appetite after that?
No.
Huh?
I don't think so.
No, I mean almonds was given when?
Friday itself, last week.
How many days ago? That means
about a week ago, 6 days ago.
And he likes it?
So only sometimes they just eat and play with it.
Where you get it from?
Hot one, for human consumption.
A human one?
Yeah.
But before that he hasn't eaten almonds before?
No.
We never feed before.
Yeah.
Never feed before?
Usually it's peanuts or nuts like related. Then they are okay with it.
Nut, then yellow bean,
Green bean, all those stuff.
green bean, red bean.
So when he loses appetite or lethargic?
2 to 3
Monday?
days. Yeah, about. So we started noticing since Tuesday, around there.
3 days ago?
Yeah, 3 days ago.
Monday?
Around Tuesday. Monday still seems okay. I don't know.
Today is Thursday, 3 days.
Monday.
Monday, don't think so.
So is he still eating the thing?
No.
The almonds?
No.
He doesn't like it?
He doesn't eat anything since the last 3 days.
Yeah. But he drinks or not?
No.
No.
Other than we bring the cup to him, then he hasn't really come down.
Okay, have a look at his backside. Come, you hold him, I see.
Okay.
Let's see, below. No more, right? The stools. No more stools, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this could be a possible case of upset stomach due to the new diet. No, almonds, it may not be suitable for him. The others are okay, right?
The others okay.
They ate, right?
Yeah, they ate and
They enjoy it, right?
not really enjoy it. They just bite and cheers toy.
Oh, yeah. So they don't eat it.
Not really lah. I don't think they really eat it.
So for this one, I'll give some antibiotics, and then you just, you know, to do that Syringe.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know whether he can or not because.
The tubing, you have a tubing?
Currently don't have lah, because they're not really very old already, so we don't have to feed them for
Never.
years.
Oh, you never do that.
I don't think he can.
But I give the small one, you just do slowly.
Yeah.
Then what you do is separate him from the others first, and give him only the sunflower seeds.
But now he also sunflower seed. This morning I gave him, he would never eat.
Again, you got to crush it and
Okay.
slowly again, like porridge and that. Tube feed. Because the birds like that, if they don't eat, you can force them.
Correct.
So with this, probably some infection. Then after that, you will observe it for the next 2 days.
Okay.
Okay. So